Pi Network is emerging as a key player in the transformation of digital payments, striving to connect the worlds of decentralized finance and traditional banking. By introducing innovative solutions like the PiCoin Visa debit card, the network enables users to seamlessly convert cryptocurrency into spendable funds for everyday transactions. This approach not only enhances the usability of digital assets, but also encourages broader merchant adoption and real-world utility. As Pi Network expands its ecosystem, it focuses on accessibility and practical integration, aiming to make decentralized finance more approachable for mainstream users. Through these efforts, Pi Network is helping to redefine how digital currencies interact with established financial systems. The introduction of the Pi Network debit card marks a pivotal step in making cryptocurrency accessible for everyday use. By allowing users to convert PiCoin into spendable funds, the card bridges the gap between digital assets and traditional financial systems. This innovation enables holders to make purchases and pay bills directly with their PiCoin, moving beyond mere speculation. It reflects Pi Network's broader mission to promote practical adoption, empowering users to participate in a decentralized economy with real-world utility. As a result, the debit card not only enhances usability, but also signals the network's commitment to integrating cryptocurrency into daily life. One of the major hurdles facing cryptocurrency adoption is usability, as many digital assets remain difficult to spend or integrate into daily life. Pi Network addresses this challenge by building an ecosystem focused on real-world transactions, making it easier for users to send payments directly to one another and to merchants. By enabling peer-to-peer payments and supporting merchant adoption, Pi Network moves beyond speculation and encourages practical use of its coin. This approach aligns with Web3 principles, empowering users to control their digital assets and participate in decentralized financial interactions. Through accessible technology and a community-driven model, Pi Network aims to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the emerging world of decentralized payments. The introduction of the Pi Network debit card marks a significant step in connecting decentralized finance with traditional banking systems. By allowing users to convert PiCoin into spendable funds on a Visa card, the process makes digital currency usable for everyday purchases and bill payments. This seamless integration reduces the barriers that typically limit cryptocurrency adoption, such as complex conversion processes or limited merchant acceptance. As a result, users can interact with familiar payment networks and ATMs, making digital assets more practical and accessible. Ultimately, the Pi Network debit card could help position digital currencies as viable alternatives for daily financial transactions. Pi Network's global community has experienced remarkable growth, largely due to its focus on accessibility and inclusivity. Unlike many cryptocurrencies that require specialized hardware or technical expertise, Pi Network allows users to mine PiCoin directly from their smartphones. This low barrier to entry has attracted millions of participants worldwide, making it easy for anyone to join regardless of their background or resources. By prioritizing ease of use and broad participation, Pi Network has laid a strong foundation for large-scale adoption and a diverse, engaged user base. Pi Network is dedicated to building real-world utility for its cryptocurrency by fostering the creation of decentralized applications and marketplaces. This approach moves beyond the typical focus on short-term speculation, instead emphasizing long-term, sustainable value. By encouraging developers and users to participate in building practical solutions within its ecosystem, Pi Network aims to make its digital currency genuinely useful for everyday transactions. This strategy not only supports broader adoption, but also strengthens the foundation for a more inclusive and decentralized financial future. Pi Network distinguishes itself from established cryptocurrencies by prioritizing ease of use and broad accessibility. Unlike Bitcoin, which often requires technical expertise and specialized hardware, PiCoin can be mined directly from a smartphone, lowering the barrier to entry for millions of users worldwide. The project's community-driven growth model encourages active participation, from validating transactions to merchant adoption, fostering a more engaged and distributed user base. This inclusive approach aligns with the principles of the Web3 economy, where users have greater control over their digital assets and interactions. By focusing on practical utility and real-world adoption, Pi Network positions itself as a promising contender in the evolving landscape of decentralized finance. Pi Network is dedicated to achieving true decentralization by actively involving its global community in the ecosystem's growth. Users are encouraged to validate transactions, ensuring the network remains secure and trustworthy without relying on centralized authorities. Beyond transaction validation, the community is also empowered to develop decentralized applications and support merchant adoption, expanding the practical uses of PiCoin. This collaborative approach not only strengthens the network's resilience, but also reinforces the value of participation, making Pi Network more than just a digital currency. It becomes a living, evolving platform shaped by its users. Trust and accessibility are fundamental to the widespread adoption of digital payment platforms. Many users remain cautious about cryptocurrencies due to concerns over volatility and security. Pi Network addresses these concerns by focusing on gradual, organic growth rather than rapid speculative expansion. This measured approach helps build confidence among users, making the platform more appealing to those who value stability and reliability. By prioritizing user-friendly design and inclusive participation, Pi Network positions itself as a trustworthy option in the evolving landscape of digital finance. Pi Network operates in a rapidly changing regulatory environment, with authorities in countries like China, Vietnam, Thailand, and South Korea expressing concerns about the use and legitimacy of PiCoin. These regulatory challenges highlight the importance of compliance and adaptability for any cryptocurrency aiming for mainstream adoption. On the technical front, Pi Network is investing in upgrades such as the upcoming Pi DEX and enhanced decentralized applications, aiming to improve usability and security. Its user-friendly approach, which allows individuals to mine and transact using just a smartphone, lowers barriers to entry and fosters broader participation. By prioritizing compliance-ready infrastructure and practical utility, Pi Network positions itself to better navigate the complexities of global digital currency regulation. Pi Network's vision centers on making decentralization practical and accessible for everyday users. By focusing on real-world utility and seamless integration with traditional financial systems, the network aims to bridge the gap between cryptocurrency and daily life. This approach not only empowers individuals to participate in a decentralized economy, but also signals a broader transformation in how digital payments are conceived and utilized. As Pi Network continues to evolve, it exemplifies the shift toward user-driven, inclusive financial innovation in the digital era.